COVID-19 pandemic can stop you from going outside, but cannot stop you from learning new skills for your bright future. Here at Theta, we have planned an exclusive track for you. Get certification in enterprise level web application development with ASP.NET Core, Bootstrap and C#. If you are serious about your professional career and want to start it as a web developer, this training is for you. ASP.NET Core 3.1, a framework for building secure, fast and scalable web apps and services with .NET and C#. You will be able to build interactive and complex web applications, RESTful APIs, real-time bidirectional communications applications, microservices and many more. Are you ready to learn such a powerful framework which can serve up to 7.33 million requests per second, which no other framework on this globe can serve at the moment? We will be using Visual Studio 2019 as an IDE, SQL Server Management Studio, focusing on MVC design patterns, front-end web designing in Bootstrap 4, code versioning with GitHub, hosting with Azure and Amazon AWS, RESTful APIs, building your custom middlewares and reusable components, dependency injection usage, repository pattern concept, entity framework as an ORM, NuGet package manager to manage your external packages, DB first and code first approach, automation techniques and agile methodology. From development to deployment, a complete roadmap leading to a complete functional project. Join us for the free orientation session this Sunday.